at McCurdy's here. Somebody's receiving their Red Mist Metallic convertible. What a beautiful car. I like the rims on it. We're all gonna line up here for a couple little photos here, and looks like we got a nice little color selection. Too bad Brian didn't bring down his orange. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Good, good to see you. It's been a while.
Yeah, too long.
What's happening, my friend?
Just being out of the house is so amazing.
Yeah.
Meeting people.
It's not the greatest day to meet down here,
But it's the best day also.
I mean, I'm kind of angry I didn't bring it now. I knew I would be. There he is.
Hello, Brian.
How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Awesome. Yeah.
What do you think of the rims?
They're nice. Are they the same as yours? Or are they different?
Different. Yeah, they're different.
They are a little different. Very similar, but not quite the same.
Very nice. Different color, isn't it? It is. When they announced that color, I quite liked it.
Good.
Oh, look at you with the low angle.
Yeah.
Cool, right?
What's going up here?
Man, I didn't bring mine now. I'm looking at it all. I mean, but I really spent 2.5 hours just polishing
Oh, I
this shit
can
over there.
imagine.
Yeah.
I thought I thought there was gonna be like 2 or 3 cars.
Well, I would have brought it for sure, eh?
I brought you a shirt. What size are you again?
Extra large.
Yeah, I got it.
That's cool, man. I appreciate that.
Bringing that.
That's weird.
The fireworks.
Right on. It's quite the
Fireworks for the show.
I think December.
December.
Like it was in. Don had it, but we couldn't put. Like we just got the 6-digit number,
Right?
preliminary number, and then it actually hit 3,000, I think, in March. And then it sat there in different closures and all the bullshit.
Oh, yeah, everybody's been through
I
it.
waited 9 months for mine.
Yeah.
And, I was his first one here.
Yeah.
And he was only getting me. Got it. Then he got another.
Yeah.
2 last.
Well, that's right.
I
Yeah.
got the orange.
Well, James got his in December, right?
That's right. Yeah, that's right. I got him. in-
Yeah, he got his quick.
Yeah.
I think it was because of the Zeus bronze. They were just getting ready to wrap that color up.
Yeah.
So did you go 2 LT or 3 LT for the 2? Yeah.
Yeah, there's supposed to be, George was supposed to be coming with a red one too, torch red, but it was pouring rain. He was coming from like Toronto area.
Right. Like this morning, I was thinking, I don't know if I really want to do it, but
We were going to cancel and wait till tomorrow and not get it long.
The white one has that too. I wonder what that is.
I think that's a coating.
Oh, 3. Is that spray on one or something?
It could possibly be. I don't know for sure though.
Roby Show, the only one.
Oh, he's still sporting the old front plate thing here.
He's the only one with the stripes. No one else wanted stripes.
James, I think you're gonna have to bend your plate like this one here. What do you think of the red stripes on this?
Yeah, they have like carbon fiber too. I'm not really a fan personally. I don't know. Are those from the factory or no?
Must be. Insinuating it.
Yeah, it doesn't mean it's from the factory.
But I know the factory does have them, but I
Oh,
never
God.
I never seen the carbon fiber.
Oh God.
Still haven't seen a Rapid Blue.
This is true.
Good, but it's not that old, and it's not. They shouldn't be. Holy.
Oh yeah.
See, it's peeling.
Yeah. Obviously they didn't do that,
Well,
right?
at least it's not the
That's
big
not
scratch,
good.
It's only the little place in the front.
Well, it's, I don't care.
It's true. At
all-
least it's a
something
small
more-
part, but
They're
yeah.
gonna change
Oh
it.
yeah, oh yeah. That's true too.
Like a lighter red in a way.
Who knows?
Have you seen the orange like in person at all?
No, I haven't. No, I haven't because we couldn't go to the
So
States.
it's so hard to tell from videos, right?
Yeah, I think it's pretty close. I don't know why they did that. I don't know why they went with the brown. So
Yeah.
I'm really surprised with that. Only because when I talked to the guys at Bowling Green, the brown came from their truck line and their Cadillac line. So they just wanted to have that as part of the Corvette. And brown has not been a big color, right?
No.
So I think GM missed the mark to do something really special there, but that's because of the upper brass. But God, they hit this out of the park.
Yeah.
I mean, they can't even meet. Can you imagine 2 years they can't even meet the demand of the pre-sales?
I know, isn't that's
And that's
crazy.
only North America. We still haven't talked about Germany, Australia, Japan. They haven't even
Right.
started. Like, holy smokes!
And then there's
And they've sold out all their Hummers, they sold out their Cadillacs, they sold out their trucks in advance. So like GM is firing on all cylinders. Good for them.
and they're down right now, are they not? The factory, I think.
Yeah, with no parts, no chips
Yeah.
from China.
Wow.
Hi, how you doing?
Good.
Hi, how's it going?
Yeah. It's nice to see everybody down. I was expecting 1 or 2 cars kind of thing, and
We,
This
yeah,
is
we didn't know
awesome.
anything about it, or we'd have brought our.
yeah. Well, Brian didn't bring his orange one either, and he's like, if it was this many, I would have known. Yeah.
The stock caps fit right on there, so it's perfect. The center caps.
Right.
Because it comes with his black MRR cap.
Right.
And I brought them up, but they said, oh, these ones look really good. I said,
Yeah.
okay, put them on there. And they're a little wider. You see the tire is right at the wheel well.
Okay, yeah, I'll check that out.
The offset's a little different.
You see, mine are cambered for track.
Yeah. You can see it's out just, I don't know, maybe you can push down, like when you come down,
Yeah.
the tire you hit this
Oh yeah, definitely. It's got a little nice
Come down here.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
yeah. Especially with mine being
So the
in.
offset's a little more. I'm not sure about the fronts. These are what their stock sizes. 2011 and
Yeah, probably.
19 9.5.
I drive her hard, James.
I know. Logan.
That's what they're made for.
I'd like to see what the red looks like right out in the sunlight.
Yeah.
You think that guy's a large?
Oh God.
Large Beautiful. You guys have a safe trip home.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks.
Did you ask which Tim Hortons?
Downtown.
Downtown. So, what did you think of that? Pretty good. About seven C8s that showed up.
Yep, that was a very nice show up. Good times.
What'd you think of the red mist? Did you like it?
Yes, I was impressed with it first time seeing it.
I like it more than the Torch Red, for sure. And definitely better than Long Beach Red. No competition there.
You gotta have to agree.
That Long Beach Red is Probably my least favorite color.
So now we're heading down to Tim Hortons for a coffee. Today I received a box from General Motors. Detailed description of goods: Corvette paperweight, quantity 1, unit 1. Subtotal $100. Not for resale. Been waiting a while for this package. I received my car July 22nd, 2020, and now I'm receiving this package June 1st, 2021. So it's been a long time waiting for it. Everybody that orders a C8 gets this model. So let's just open her up here and this is like Christmas. Well, there it is.
Well packaged anyway.
It is well packaged. It shouldn't be damaged, that's for sure. And it is heavy.
So it comes in a little black box.
It comes in the black box, taped with Corvette tape. Pretty
Corvette
special.
tape.
I hate to even rip it.
The grand unveil. Oh, we got another
Ooh, a
box.
surprise box with a letter in it.
So it comes with this letter that basically just says, thanks for buying a Corvette, the first mid-engine Corvette, and it talks a little bit about the Ron Fellows driving school that you can go to when you purchase a Corvette, a C8. So it gives you like $1,000 credit for the 2-day driving school.
So it doesn't give me much time. It expires on the 7th, 20.
So you got 2 months.
2 months to use it. And we're on lockdown.
2 months left to use it. Yeah, we're on lockdown right now. Might have to leave the Corvette behind and take a flight.
It would be quite the experience.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh, look at that. Not even a fingerprint on it. So this is pretty cool. Looks like the car has moved around a bit. It's magnetized.
Oh yeah, that's cool. It's got like a felt bottom to it.
Yep. And it has my year of the car, Corvette Stingray, and my VIN number.
Cool.
That's pretty cool. I was in the first 5,000 built. At one point, I didn't think us Canadians were gonna get one.
It's one thing to have like a model of the C8, but to have like one specific to your car with your VIN number and everything on it, it's...
Yeah. And you can kind
And
of
it's-
turn it around and make it look like it's one of these models.
It's got the same kind of design, like when the color... Oh, you can actually, yeah, if you get really... It's kind of hard to tell on this camera, but it's actually got like the metallic flake. Whereas
Right,
these
yeah.
cars aren't like they're not the actual true Accelerate yellow, whereas this model is 100% like the actual paint that gets used on the car. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, like I said, I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but you can see the metallic flake in it really well.
Down there. Well, I'm a happy camper. It finally showed up. I didn't think we were going to be getting one. I'm so happy that I received this today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching the Great White North Corvette. See you next time.